I can't stop it. Hitting in your body, I feel strength with the wind. So move out the way. I am a rider, provider. Bring it. Candy shop, candy shop. I'll take you to the candy shop.
तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है?
कंडोलेंस। अच्छा आदमी था, अच्छा नहीं हुआ।
चला जा यहाँ से, चला जा।
जाना तो तुझे था।
अरे इस बाबा ने कोरोना की दवाई निकाल ली। ये मैं क्या पढ़ रहा हूँ? आज रात 12 बजे से टिकटॉक बैन होने वाला है।
क्या 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 टिकटॉक बैन हो रहा है?
ये तो बड़ी मुसीबत हो गई। मैंने कितनी मेहनत की थी अपना कंटेंट लोगों तक पहुंचाने में और अपनी फॉलोइंग बढ़ाने में। पैसे भी अच्छे खासे आ रहे थे। अब अपना कंटेंट लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचाऊंगा? कैसे उनसे कनेक्ट कर पाऊंगा मैं वंदन से बात करता हूँ। मे बी ही विल हेल्प मी आउट।
Hey Vandan bhai, are you busy? I seriously need your advice over something.
Yes bro, tell me. I am all ears.
यार एक बड़ी दिक्कत हो गई है। मुझे जस्ट पता चला कि टिकटॉक बैन हो रहा है।
हाँ यार, सुना तो मैंने भी। I myself was going to call you in some time.
I seriously don't see a way ahead. I need my content to reach my millions of followers. How can I connect with them from now on? I'm really worried यार।
Even I am worried for you and was thinking of an alternative and will come across for a few.
Please tell me bro. I'm totally blank right now.
What about that Vigo video or Hello or the Mitro app?
Both Vigo and Hello are banned. Mitro doesn't have enough reach yet.
Okay then, I have another solution for you. But it will need some extra efforts from your end.
I'm ready to put in my extra efforts to reach my audience. Tell me, what are you thinking?
On that note, I would suggest you to switch over to YouTube.
But YouTube content is far lengthier than TikTok.
वही तो एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स है ब्रो, बट साथ में ही रीच भी ज़्यादा है और पैसे भी. If you want to, I can connect you to one of my YouTuber friend who will help you to understand the technicalities and another stuff regarding YouTube. Actually, wait a minute. I will try to connect him with him right now. हे प्रबल भाई, कैसा है? बिजी तो नहीं है ना?
हाय वंदन भाई, मैं ठीक हूँ। आप कैसे हो? आज कैसे याद कर लिया?
सही बताओ तो यार एक हेल्प चाहिए थी. So this is my friend Manan who is planning to start a YouTube channel of his own. Could you please guide him?
Sure bro, any friend of yours is my friend too. Hi Manan, how can I help you?
Hey Prabal, can you please tell me about your YouTube experience? When did you start? How did you start? And what led you to join this platform? And how is your experience till now?
Oh, that's too many questions. Okay, let me start from the beginning. I started my career as a YouTuber around a year ago. Earlier, I used to upload my content on Facebook with the name PB Gaming. You probably haven't heard it, right? That is the reason I switched to YouTube. FB didn't give enough reach to my content as YouTube did. I started by uploading my gaming highlights, which after 1-2 months became very popular, and my views, likes and subscribers could show a steady growth. As of now, my subscriber count is 1.45 million approximately. Okay, now tell me, what is your content about?
To be very frank, I am not a camera shy person. I like to recreate different movie scenes in a funny way. Till now, I was using TikTok for the same, but now we'll have to switch some other platform. Also, I'm eventually planning to move to travel vlogging.
Oh, that's great. Then YouTube is just the right platform for you. You will have to gain some knowledge on video editing apps and invest a bit into your video shooting setup, and then you are good to go. You can even live stream on YouTube to have a direct connect with your audience. And once you gain a good audience and regularly upload your content, it will give you the financial independence that we all are always looking for.
Wow, that's pretty much clarify all my queries.
कुछ और हेल्प चाहिए तो ज़रूर बताना मुझे, बट आई विल हैव टू लीव नाउ. आई हैव a live stream scheduled in some time.
Thanks, mate. I'll get in touch with you later. Goodbye.
Bye guys. Bye Vandan. Bye Manan.
तो क्या लगता है अब तुम्हें?
It's pretty much interesting, but थोड़ा और मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. I'll start working on it right away.
Awesome. Best wishes to you. कुछ मदद की ज़रूरत हो तो बता देना.
Definitely, bro. Thank you.
अच्छा चल, I will leave now. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi Samiksha, long time no see. How are you? How are the things in New York?
Hey Diksha, यार ये सब छोड़ मेरी बात सुन. इस दिवाली when I'm there in India, let's go to Ladakh, yeah?
Wow, but why Ladakh?
See, last night I was going through Manan's Travel Diaries channel on YouTube and he explored those places so beautifully that I'm myself so tempted to visit that place. So please chalte na.
Oh, if it's Manan's recommendation, we will definitely visit. Don't you worry. Now tell me how's New York?
Hello friends, hope you enjoyed our video. But now some of you might be wondering, what does this have to do with the models of consumer behavior? We'll help you understand. Starting with the economic model. It is based on three concepts: price effect, substitution effect, and income effect. Let us understand each of these in case of Manan. Price effect. It states that lesser the price of the product, more will be the quantity purchased. Now, as we all know, the number of TikTok content creators were very high as compared to the YouTube ones. This is because of the fact that the app was very simple and a lower investment was required as compared to YouTube, which requires a good video editing app and a better camera setup is usually preferred. Second, substitution effect. It states that lesser the price of substitute product, lesser will be the utility of original product bought. When TikTok was first introduced in Indian market in April 2014 as Musical.ly, it gained immense popularity among the masses due to the simplicity and lower investment as compared to any other platform at that time. These factors also influenced Manan to opt for TikTok even when YouTube was available as an option back then. Third, income effect. Income effect states that when more income is earned or when more money is available, more will be the quantity purchased. In case of Manan, when he switched to YouTube, he gained popularity on the platform with his funny enactments and later, with a stable income, further upgraded his content and started travel vlogging, which requires more financial investments as compared to his earlier content. Thus, when Manan's income increased, his content quality also increased.
Manan's situation in the video is comparable to the psychological behavior of consumer model. Manan's strongest need at that particular time was to reach his followers to promote his content on social media platform. As we saw in the video, Manan was very tense because TikTok was banned. So he went on seeking help from his friend Vandan and Prabal. They helped him to find solution. They motivated him to switch on the YouTube platform. After 1 year, Manan got a lot of fame through his travel diaries on his YouTube channel. According to Maslow's hierarchy of psychological needs, Manan's need come under the third level of hierarchy, that is social needs, as he wanted love and affection.
As you have watched the video, I want to add few points about that video. In the video, Manan was literally shocked about TikTok because it was get banned, and he was influenced by Vandan and Prabal to switch to YouTube and engage his audience. Basically, this is what a sociological model is. In sociological model of consumer behavior, a buying person's buying behavior is influenced by primary groups of family members and close associates, and they exert a lot of influence on his buying behavior. Starting with the fourth model, that is input, process and output model. It basically consists of the 5 major elements, that is need recognition, product awareness, evaluation, intention and the post-purchase behavior. As you have clearly seen in the video, TikTok got banned and Manan, being a
TikTok content creator was now unaware of the fact that where would now he be able to showcase his talent. A tension arose in the mind of Manan that now what he will do, as he had no other alternative to entertain his fans and earn money. So he called his friend Vandan, who acknowledged him regarding YouTube, making him aware of the next best alternative. Further, Vandan asked his friend Prabal, who used to do live streaming on YouTube, to make Manan acknowledge that how the YouTube works. Manan evaluated himself by asking various questions to Prabal that how the YouTube policy works, how the content is uploaded, what's need to be uploaded, how to earn money, and various other aspects. Once, when Manan got all his answers from Prabal, he made a clear intention that now he would continue further by vlogging and uploading his various traveling experiences over YouTube. After a period of 1 year, when Manan saw that his followers were increasing at a great pace, he was happy that he made a right choice in making a positive post purchase behavior. Now, further, my friend Vasudha will tell you regarding the other consumer behavior models.
Moving on to the Pavlovian model. Manan's desire to be able to connect with his audiences and his need to be able to share his content, ideas, and experiences were the triggering cues, whereas his conversation with Vandan and Prabal were the non triggering cues which ultimately influenced his decision making process. Now let's talk about Nicosia model, which can be divided into 4 parts. The firm's attribution includes the information about YouTube. The consumer's attribution would be Manan's choice of work and his need for an online platform, which led him to evaluate whether or not YouTube is fulfilling those requirements, and ultimately he switched to YouTube, concluding the decision-making process. And the post-purchase behavior and feedback for him would be positive responses and increasing audiences. Now let's talk about the Howard set model and its variables. Input in case of Manan in terms of significator stimuli is the distinctiveness of YouTube and the services rendered by it. The symbolic stimuli is Manan's perception about the kind of content and videos that he needs to create for YouTube, as earlier he was creating much shorter videos for TikTok, which would have to change now. The social stimuli is his friend's influence on his decision. The psychological variable for Manan is his need for recognition and his need to connect with his audience, the output of which was his decision in favor of YouTube, post which he got a positive response which led for him to be satisfied with his decision. Apart from the models discussed above, there are 3 more important models. Let's talk about those. The first one is the Angel Blackwell Collect model. It involves the information processing, the control unit, the decision making, and the environmental factors. Next comes the family decision making model, which involves the influencers, the gatekeepers, the deciders, the buyers, and the users. And lastly, there's the industrial buyer behavior. In an organization, there are different departments consisting of different people with different psychological makeups and needs, which lead to conflict. Thereby, the process in which an industry or an organization would decide what to buy and what not to buy is the industrial buyer behavior.
Thank you.